Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm bringing you guys another hair transformation video. It's actually crochet, so keep watching to see the install of this gorgeous hair. I think the color just suits me so well. So I just want to say a big thank you for you guys for your continued support, for liking my videos, subscribing, and all of that good stuff. I'm so grateful. So while you're at it, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up to support my channel. Now let's get right to unboxing. So the hair I got in the mail looked like this, and there are about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 6 packs. Yes, 6 packs actually in that one Ziploc bag. And it also comes with a crochet needle, so this is always good. You never have too many crochet needles, really. And this is the Toyotress Wand curls in 12 inches. It's pretty long, and the color is T1B30. You guys can see I was already excited to start installing, but I wanted to show you guys how this hair separates. If you separate it from the tip, the curls stay better than if you separate from the middle. It just freezes a little bit. For the braiding pattern, I wanted to be able to have 3 parts to be able to flip this hair however I wanted. So the front was a bit more intricate in terms of less braids, but the back I just put everything together and had that one single braid. So the quick tip, when you have that single braid, after it's good to just tie everything together. Use the extension to secure that last braid, so there's no unraveling. Everything is like together. I made sure like all my braids were connected because I wanted it to be like that. But look, you really don't have to do this if you don't want to. Just do what works for you, really. Now for the install, the exciting part of the video, I guess. So I went in and started installing the hair as is. I originally did not want to separate it because I didn't know how much it would freeze. So I started installing as is from the back, and I made sure to space them out because again, when you eventually unravel, it would just be too much hair. So install as is from the base, and then just keep going like that. But if you want to separate right from the beginning, please feel free to do so. Now I want to show you guys a quick crochet. I'm sure there's so many videos on crochet, but this is how you do it. You just basically open the latch hook, put it through your hair, and then put the extension, close the latch hook. So the thing is, make sure you close it so it doesn't catch in your hair and it causes some tearing here and there. So please always close that latch hook, put your extension through. For this hair, I only knotted it twice. You can knot it once and it stays because the hair actually has a very natural texture, so it's not silky that it would unravel. So I really love that about these extensions. So I just kept doing that. I am actually going to keep doing that until I get to the front. The front I took my time, and by the front again I started separating one strand into about three parts, or you can do 4. Just when you're separating, separate from the middle and just pull. I didn't show it in this video, but like I did that unraveling so that the curls could loosen up a bit, and when you separate, it's not too freezy. So again, it has high potential to freeze, but the curls are still really beautiful. So I'm gonna hold off right here, and then I'll be back to show you guys the illusion part. So one thing I will say about creating this illusion part is that make sure you put your crochet needle through the side, from the side that you want the hair to fall on after you pull it through. Okay, so I'm hoping because this video is so close, you guys can see what I mean. So I did this, and then make sure you only pull one strand of the hair through the loop, not both of them. That way the second strand acts as your knotless, you know, extension that covers up any knots you might have otherwise. So keep doing that, and hopefully, you know, the video is as clear as possible for how I did this. And then I'm going to trim this hair. I really wanted to maintain the lightness of the tips, so that's why when I trimmed, I did not really cut this hair a lot, but I made sure I just framed it to my face as best as possible. But please feel free to do whatever works for you. So yes, this is absolutely beautiful, and I'll show you guys the finished product as well. And there's a giveaway attached to this video, 2 lucky winners. So all I'm going to say is keep watching, and I will insert the giveaway details for you guys. And best of luck, and thank you so much for your support again. I'll see you guys in a bit.